On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a kitten in a Christmas tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me two scratching posts and a kitten in a Christmas tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me three balls of yarn, two scratching posts, and a kitten in a Christmas tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me four litter boxes, three balls of yarn, two scratching posts, and a kitten in a Christmas tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me five golden fish, four litter boxes, three balls of yarn, two scratching posts, and a kitten in a Christmas tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me six cats a leaping, five golden fish, four litter boxes, three balls of yarn, two scratching posts, and a kitten in a Christmas tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love sent to me seven mice to play with, six cats a leaping, five golden fish, four litter boxes, three balls of yarn, two scratching posts, and a kitten in a Christmas tree.
Hi, this is Ivan coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Friday, December 18th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 26 degrees. We are expecting a high of 31 and a low of 16, with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Alina, Harold, Kyle. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks shut out the Edmonton Oilers last night with a score of 4-0. And the Bulls will play the Detroit Pistons tonight at 7. The Bulls will play the Minnesota Vikings on Sunday at noon. There are no clubs meeting today. Miss Young would like to remind all band and orchestra students to take home their instruments over winter break. Now a message from Mr. Snowder.
Another one. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Thank you to the second grade team for that introductory video. The good news about today being winter break is that when we come back in January, we won't have to see that video of me again. Happy Friday. Let's see. It is Friday. We do have our winter parties today. We're going to pull some Herbie high fives. So this is the egg from the first floor. And we do have a sing-along today, too. Arya in 114, Jasmine in 102, Dominic in 106, looks like Aaliyah in 107, wow, I'm not sure what that says. Sahana in 114. And then the last one for the first floor is going to be, looks like Luvina in 115. All right. Second floor A. Let's see what we've got here. We've got Kiki in 213. Emily in 211. Owen in 201. Logan in 212. And the last one, we've got Aditya in 210. Speaking of PBIS, we do have our PBIS celebrations today. And finally, I've got the hoorays. Students who get their names called for the Hoover hoorays, for these green ones right here, remember to come to the library. You're going to come up here and see Mrs. Bernanke. We've got Eddie in 109, Shuta in 207, Tyler in 202, Logan in 121, Daisy in 212, Riley in 120, Adam in 107. Like, pull on the ones I'm supposed. Yep, that's all of them. Everybody have a great winter break. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Conker.
You're welcome.
Here is today's interesting fact. Do you know what Billboard's top 10 Christmas songs are? As of yesterday, they are number 10, Last Christmas. Number 9, Let It Snow. Number 8, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Number 7, Feliz Navidad. Number 6, White Christmas. Number 5, Holly Jolly Christmas. Number 4, Jingle Bell Rock. Number 3, The Christmas Song. Number 2, Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. And the number 1 song on Billboard's top 10 list is All I Want for Christmas Is You. That's all for today. This week's broadcast was brought to you by the Gummy Bears production team. Have a Frosty the Snowman fun Friday and a happy holidays.
Say it glows, all of the other reindeer